over some of the most common BackBurner errors that you will run into while rendering on the farm. So first off, we've got error code 211. This is typically caused by your project files not being set properly or the image file string not being cleaned out in each of your source images and your cache folders. So in order to clear this up, just go through and make sure that when you're setting your project folder that you use the number string at the start of that sequence, so the whack 129.219.22.152 instead of Z being there, make sure that's set. And also in all of your source images and cache files, make sure that the front of the string does not have anything that's directing it towards either your local computer or the Z drive. It should start with either source images or cache or some folder that is in your project folder. That will generally clean that out for you. Next, we've got error code 1. This is a sign that Maya is actually crashing on each of the farm nodes when it's trying to open your scene. Easiest way to clean this out is to go through and optimize your scene files using File Optimize Scene options. Make sure that unknown nodes is checked for cleaning out, as well as any sort of extraneous detail that you might find in there. That will generally clean that out. Another huge one will be group IDs. That is one that will throw a lot of error codes for you. So go ahead and just optimize your scene file, and that should generally clean out error code 1. Last but not least, we've got error code 207. This one's a bit of a complicated one. What's happening there is either there is a file in your render job that is corrupted, so like an image folder, a source image, or a reference file that's corrupted, or your render settings for BackBurner are incorrect when you send the job. This is typically found in like your Mentoray render settings. If you have the -art or -aml, if either one of those are misspelled, BackBurner will wig out and not know what to do with those codes. Same with the timeout code. If you have that -timeouts, certain time limits for extending your render times on the farm, if that is not placed in the proper location after priority, again, BackBurner will wig out and will not be sure what to do with your render settings. So just go through, check to make sure that all of your incoming files are valid, and also check to make sure that you have all of your flags in your BackBurner render settings set properly. With that, that is pretty much the entire farm for you and everything that you're going to run into. If you find any other error codes, please feel free to list them in the comments below. If we get a nice populace of them, I'll make another video to cover those as well, but that should be most everything that you run into. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel. I will be posting other videos on animation and Mentoray and the farm over the summer, including into next semester, covering different things about the Honors Digital Animation course, as well as the book that we will be publishing in the near future. Please feel free to let me know if you need anything. Thank you very much for watching this video, and happy rendering.